Good morning, my friends. Let's take it up a notch this morning. Let's get raw. Let's get naked. Let's get intimate. When you hear the word intimacy, what's the first thing that comes to mind? Sex, right? Well, that too, but it's way more than just that. Intimacy, in my view, is more about truth. When you realize you can tell someone your truth, when you can show yourself to them, when you can stand in front of them and their responses is, "You're safe with me," that's intimacy. An intimate love relationship is one of the most beautiful experiences in life because we were made for love. That is who we are. But it's also the most effective way of doing your own soul work and becoming a whole person. And it starts by getting naked, exposing your heart to each other, making yourself vulnerable and without judgment, doing the inner work together so that the relationship can blossom, which can also be a daunting experience, I may say. With all the beauty that love brings, it can also reveal pain from the past, hidden behind walls that have been built to protect the heart. But until you are ready to break those walls down, to let the light in, your partner will never really get to know who you are and grow in closeness. The greatest enemy, my friend, is none other than your own darkness within. But let me ask you this question. Which is more valuable to you? Protecting the wall that the ego self has created, or nurturing your relationship? You see, my friends, it takes courage to pursue all that love has to offer, and it begins with the willingness to get naked. And in closing, my friends, attract someone in your life with whom you can be naked. Not just physically, but naked at the soul level. Someone who cares enough about you to open their heart. Someone who will tell you their secrets. Someone who will make themselves totally vulnerable because they love you. And that, my friend, that's real, raw nakedness. Yeah, man, a word to the wise.